Hi everyone, and welcome back to Sony's Developer World channel. Today we're excited to introduce Sony's ToF AR SDK, a free Unity SDK that enables developers to use accurate hand gesture and precise body movements in their AR applications. The SDK is fully compatible with Google's AR Core and Apple's AR Kit. If you're curious, go ahead and download it free of charge using a link in the description of the video. ToF AR uses depth information obtained by a time-of-flight sensor or another depth sensor on your mobile device. But what is a time-of-flight sensor? This type of sensor measures the distance from the camera to an object based on the reflection time of infrared light. This technology is already applied in autonomous car driving, factory automation, and it is expected to be applied in many other industries. An increasing number of Android and iOS devices already come with the built-in depth sensing technology. For a complete list of devices that are compatible with the ToF AR SDK, please see our compatible device list. Platforms like AR Core and AR Kit provide Unity developers with tools for face recognition and tracking. Now you can implement precise hand and body recognition and tracking with ready-to-use components provided in Sony's ToF AR SDK. If you want to learn how this SDK can enhance your immersive AR app creation, an easy place to start is with the ToF AR Samples app. It is available for iOS and Android, and it contains 5 example applications showcasing various components of the SDK. You can download the Samples app at the link in the description field. I hope this short introduction video made you curious to try Sony's ToF AR SDK. For all the download links, tutorials, documentation, as well as contact information, please visit the ToF AR developer website.